O Haki, can you buy me 1 fish? Tandaan mo, 1 fish, 1 tomato, 1 carrots. Go,
Okay.
there, doon sa
On the
palengke.
market.
1 fish, 1 tomato, and 1 carrots. Tingnan natin kung tama. 1 fish, 1 tomato, and 1 carrots. Oh, 1 fish, 1 tomato. Nahanap yung tomato. And 1 carrots. There. Kabila.
Oh, nag-compute pa nga. Ano eh.
Carrots. Nahanap. Ayun yung katabi na niya eh. Carrots.
The orange.
Yan. One tomato.
Tomato. What is the tomato? The red one.
And 1 banana. 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 1 banana. Okay. May I see? May I see? Ay, kukumpute ko muna.
Nagbabayad kasi.
Oo nga, bayad.
Nagbabayad mo na.
Sige, magbayad ka muna. Ay, tagal. Okay. Asan na? Hey, see? Magkano lahat? How much?
Rentay.
Carrots, check. Tomato, check. Fish, check. Banana, check. Very good. Uy,
Ah, may
binayaran
orange
mo
pa.
to? Nagbayad ka? Bayaran mo dun, bayaran mo. Hindi ka nagbayad. Bayaran mo. Bayaran mo yan. Kumuha.
Kompleto naman yung pinabili
Oo,
mo.
complete naman. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much.